Hello everyone, welcome to Ansari Brother Technology channel. In this video, we are demonstrating how to make best use of AI tools which are easily available. For this, we require an active Gmail account and the AI tools which are demonstrated here in the video. Their links are provided in the video description. Make sure to sign up before starting with our tutorial. So let us begin. You all must be wondering which AI tool we are going to demonstrate. So first in the list is a famous AI tool which is chatgpt. So here chatgpt is a famous AI tool which acts like a human replying to our question asked in prompt. So there is a famous domain which is known as prompt engineering. We are going to look at that and how to give the prompts to AI so that it replies to our questions. So here we are going to ask about like give me information about the climate of towns nearby Mumbai and Thane with the comparative data. So this is how we have created one prompt to check the climatic condition nearby to towns. So this is how AI is generating our response and it is displaying the things. Now you can see that we already got the Mumbai and Thane climatic condition. We'll take another example, like give me a short and narrative about the major event causes and impact on the world after the World War One and World War Two. So let's see how AI generate the response for this prompt. So you can see the AI has generated the World War One timeline, major event causes, impact on world after the World War One and World War Two, major event causes and impact of the world after the World War Two. Now we will see one more prompt, like give me short description about inventions done by Indian scientists in a tabular format. So how does AI respond to this? Let's have a look. So this is how it generated a response in a tabular format. We can directly copy it like this and we can use it for our project and somewhere we further required to use it. So we'll look forward to another example. Like here I am demanding my biodata from AI. So I have given very few specific details about my timeline, like my name, my designation in the current organization, date of joining, my academic details when I completed my master's, and then I worked as a professor in some college, and then whatever currently I am working as a software engineer, I am having the expertise, so I list it down. So we'll see how does it work. So you can see this is how the detailed biodata has been displayed. We can have more variations by changing the prompt and we can see the different versions of resume also. Now moving ahead, I'm going to ask something different from AI. Like I'm a tourist, love to visit different places. I'm planning to go to Alaska, USA for my next vacation. Give me the exact content about the different tourist places in Alaska to be included on every slide for presentation, including the data and stats as well as in the content. So here I'm going to show you the next AI tool after this response has been generated. So we are going to use this data and we are going to make one PowerPoint presentation out of it. So let's see how the response is getting generated for this. This is how it generated me the content like slide 1, slide 2. So now we are going to demonstrate another AI tool which is used for creating PowerPoint presentation. So for that, I'm going to just click the clipboard icon over here and copy the entire response and go ahead with the another AI tool which is gamma.app. So for this, we require to sign up earlier and keep it ready. And then we are going to create a new with AI and then we are going to use the text transformation because we already generated the text from the chat GPT. So here we just need to come and paste everything, whatever we copied from the chat GPT. And then we can select different example instructions like I just need professional and presentation length is shorter with images. So this tool will help us to create the PowerPoint presentation with images also. And I'm just going to click on generate. So this is how it's going to generate. But it will ask us the theme. So we can take one theme out of it, or we can just say surprise me and continue. So this will generate the PowerPoint presentation out of the data which was there in the ChatGPT. So we have seen ChatGPT. Using ChatGPT, we are implementing it in another AI tool and using it for creation of PowerPoint presentation so that you can use it for displaying your PowerPoint to audience. As you can see, it started to generate whatever data we have copied from ChatGPT. So like slide wise, it started to generate. So you can share it or you can directly download it. You can start presenting it also over here by using the present menu in this tab or in the another tab. So as you can see, it is like showing me a PowerPoint presentation. You can press exit to come out of the presentation and you can export it to different format, whatever you want. So here I am just exporting it to PDF. So this is how you can see it is exported to PDF. You can even export it to PowerPoint. So we'll do that also. So here you can see it is downloaded in PowerPoint format also. Now we'll go ahead with the third in our list. How can we forget about creating beautiful images generated by AI? So for generating AI images, we are using playgroundai.com. So how we can generate the images? We have to sign up and come here. Like see here, I just having a prompt, a beautiful sunset on a beach. So we'll look at it. So look, this is how the AI image is generated, which is a beach. I'm changing the prompt so you can see. Now you can just directly click over here and download. Now we'll take another example, like mountain and a sky meeting each other. So this is how it generated. So this is how you can generate different AI images. Now, last but not the least, we are going to look at a last tool in the series, formula.doc. How can we forget all people struggling for the formulas like in Excel, Google Sheet, or generating SQL query regex pattern? So it is like a small help for all developers who are working with Excel and SQL queries and regex. So we are going to demonstrate you here like this. So I wrote, give me the formula to calculate grade based on percentage. So based on percentage, we'll get the grade assigned to it. So we'll go to SQL. Like I wrote, there are two tables, employee and sales. In them, EMP ID is common. Give me query for displaying highest sales done by who in the last in the each year. So this is how we get the select query. Now we can copy and paste it in the database system. Now we'll go to regex and we'll generate one of the URL pattern without HTTP, which can be used as internal URL. And I am mentioning the language also JavaScript. So we can have that by clicking on generate. We'll get this, and even we can test it in regex 101. So this is the thing that has been given. Let me write some URL. As you can see, the internal URLs are matched. So this is how we will conclude our video. So these are the four tools which are easily available, and sign up and registrations are easy. You can do it and you can use the famous AI tools to ease your work. Hope you like the video. Do like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more video. Thank you.